Hello and welcome to my digital story. So about me, my name is Nathaniel Toshiro Liswanto and I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia, and this is my second time in university. I wanted to become a teacher because I was inspired by my own teachers and I wanted to better the educational landscape in Indonesia. I see that this provides many challenges, but I'm excited to do it to become the best teacher possible. I decided to enroll in Western Sydney University because their teaching program was very interesting. Although moving to a different country is very challenging for me, I look forward to it. And I expect to be a better and diligent and disciplined student so that I can excel in this university. When I first started class, we had this class called Literacy and Numeracy, where I assumed we were learning language and maths, but it was so different than what I imagined. We were learning how to apply literacy and numeracy skills in our daily lives and see how we use them. And I was really surprised by this, although I was really interested in it. And I relearned that first thing that to learn was to expect the unexpected so that I could become a better teacher. And I didn't really have any trouble because I was diligent enough and disciplined enough to actually apply myself and try to excel in the subject. To better apply myself in this class, I will take notes and answer questions during the workshop. And before the workshop, I would read the lecture materials before class to make sure that I fully understand the materials. In this class, I learned that summarizing, monitoring, and clarifying are essential skills to be able to be lifelong learners. And I also learned information and data literacy to be able to read sources and be able to collect information from the correct sources so that I can enrich my knowledge. I also developed critical thinking skills to be able to critically think about the situations where I am in and the situations that are given so that I can fully apply myself and be the best educator possible. So, we have assignments and assessments in this module, and the assessment one was detailing our daily life activities and see how literacy and numeracy skills happen. After submitting it, my view on literacy and numeracy changed drastically because I saw that literacy and numeracy is used in many daily life activities. And in this and in the second assessment, we were asked to analyze situations and see the literacy and numeracy skills that are used. And that was really interesting for me because I learned that literacy and numeracy can be applied in many ways. One of them is that literacy can take many forms, such as taking the bus and reading the map is counted as literacy activities, and literacy is used in many daily life activities. One of the other parts that I found interesting was numeracy was also used in many daily life activities like measuring and knitting. And also, I found that fluency in numeracy builds better problem-solving skills in the future. As using numeracy skills, we develop our better problem-solving skills. After the assessments, I find that being a teacher is really, really complicated, but very interesting and very rewarding. And after the assessment too, I noticed that my view on literacy and numeracy changed drastically, and I learned that literacy and numeracy can be used in many different ways. And I'm very interested in doing teaching and education because I want to better literacy and numeracy skills in everyone so that they can become 21st century workers that excel in their workforce. Thank you for listening to my digital story. These are the references.